Human cells release tiny spherical bodies known as exosomes into their surroundings. The information they carry has potential to heal damaged tissue, improve heart function, and fight cancer. Exosomes are the messenger that play a crucial role in cell to cell communication, and their role as messengers involves transporting chemicals, microRNA, RNA, and other particles from one cell to another, which has a significant impact on how those cells behave. Moreover, they reduce inflammation and have potential to delay aging. Scientists are investigating the many issues of exosomes, including how they could be used in cancer care and the regenerative medicine. The role of exosomes in both health and disease open a world of possibilities for future medical advancements.